line jetting, your pressure washer is. So there's we use it for two things. If your pipes get clogged, or if your pipes are dirty, we clean your pipes with this machine.
Oh, neat.
So you like tractors? Automatic windows. So when it gets hot, they open the windows.
Yeah.
And that motor is the motor that cranks the windows open.
Oh.
So it doesn't get too hot in there. When it cools down, it closes the windows.
Okay.
And they're-
That is it's a diaphragm. That's right. Yeah. And then and then there's a little needle in here that will shut the refrigerant flow to adjust.
You think your parents will let you work this summer?
I would absolutely. You know what? So
You're right. So
Usually use package units because there are more limitations with central units.
you ever heard of a chiller?
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, chillers. Those
So
are
we did some big ones, and I can't take you there, but I'm going to show you. You see that man standing right there? A lot of these high
AL29 4C, right, Rob?
They make it acidic. the stuff that comes out of here after it's burnt is acidic, and it eats things. So condensers. Yeah, we've got to retrofit the school, so we're not taking the cabinet out. We're taking just the coil and putting a new compressor system in.
Neat.
Those is just the condenser, right?
Just the condenser.
What's the big water tank behind it?
Sometimes we'll have to go clean stuff where we can't get water easily, so we'll bring a total
okay.
water with us.